Symbud President Kari India ujak deep hanger hakasngi balang ulabu ya umau Nongrim na kabenta ka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub bat ula pelaj patba ya ka CM Business Catalyst Student B Plan Challenge harangkat ka jinga trailang bat ka IIM Shillong ula sakhiru ya ka jinga soy ya ka dorkas jo ka jinga sngotu jingmut lang lani ka MOU hapdeng ka UNDP bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ban kintiu ya ki kam sengkam la Jong hab ai jingkren Symbud President ula penpau ya ki jinglong bakongsan ban ple ya umau Nongrim na kabenta ka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub da ka baong bakani ka dei ka sienjam ban wanra jingkala ka ban penmentoy shibun e ki samla ka ban shakri ru ya ki jingdan kam jongki ulat ke jilla Meghalaya UCH Vijay Shankar ula kren halor kilat ki babun jaga jilla hakabaya dei bat ki kam jingok kai perthai bat ki we menteri rang ba ke jilla ukonrat ke sangma ula kren shai halor karoi kapar Jong ke jilla
is a significant contributor to India's unity, economic progress, cultural assets. And it is because of this policy of the present government that when I attended ASEAN for the first time as Vice President, there was a keen interest in several countries of that region. I was rectifying. When I talked about the impact we are having, I can tell you, things are right in right frame, in right mood. But some of us, out of ignorance, out of being ill-informed, do not appreciate what a nation is. A nation is not divisible as to who has how many roads, how many dams, how many airports. We are one whole. This is our identity. It's an identity that has survived in spite of the nation having been assaulted from outside on a number of occasions in last several hundred years.